Hello, in this video we are going to show that A union B double implies with A union B is equal to B. For this equation we require some formula to solve. These are follows. P implies Q is nothing but negation P or Q. Second one is P double implies Q, which is P implies Q and Q implies P. Last one is distributive law, which is given by P or Q in bracket and R is equal to P and R or Q and R. Consider LHS. We write like this: X such that X belongs to A implies X belongs to B double implies X belongs to A or X belongs to B. For our simplification we write it like this: A implies B double implies A or B. As we know the property of double implication, which is given here, we consider this whole term as a P and this term as Q and applying the double implication property. So from that we are getting this step. From this step we have to simplify this and this implication. As we know implication, we are discussed it previously, so we have applied this and we are getting this step. Here in both the implications are solved. In next step inner implications are solved. You can see here and here both inner and outer implications are solved. From here we are giving in this step in this step we are applying this negation to inner most element, and so we are getting this step. And from here we have to apply distributive law for reducing the terms. So we are getting 4 terms from these 2 equations which given below, and here we are getting 2 same elements. So here we got 2 elements as A or A is A and B as it is, and here B or negation B. As we know, if we having one element with their negation and both are in OR phase, so we are getting T, and T or something is always T, so here is T. Same case with this step, so we are getting this. As T is ended with this term, so this term is as it is. Similarly here, as we know distributive law, here in this step we applied reverse the distributive law, so we get this term, and here A is ORed with negation of A, so we are getting T, and B is ended with T, so as a property, from a property we are getting B. So hence the proof.